Well, it's fall here around the chicken coop, and I got excited the other day and started doing some decorating and wanted to decorate my table. So I want to show y'all how we came about this arrangement. So this piece of right here, this big wooden tub thing, was actually, I don't really know what it was, but it's old looking. And it came from my husband's uncle's, and it was actually on a coffee table base, and we took it off the coffee table base, and I said, I want to keep that, I want to put that and use it for a centerpiece on my table. And it's just kind of farmhouse looking. It kind of has this wooden spindle thing in the middle that kind of spins almost like a wash tub thing. I mean, I don't know, it's what it really is. It has like pegs and stuff that kind of hold that wooden spinning thing in there. I think it's just kind of meant to be like an old dry sink or something like that, and it may be like a reproduction, but like a reproduction probably like from the 70s or the 60s or something like that, I think. But anyways, so I had this on my table, and I had these amber bottles. I'll show y'all a picture of just the tray with a few little things in it and the amber bottles right here. Okay, so the amber bottles came, my son, when he was little, there was a place down back behind our property that it was like a trash dump of some sort, but really it just only had bottles in it. And so my son would go down there and dig up bottles, and I have tons and tons and tons of bottles. But these are amber bottles, and so I love them for my fall decorating. So I have all sorts of different kinds of amber bottles in here, and I kind of started with that. But my dining room is very dark. I have dark paneling on the walls, the lighting's kind of subdued, and so the dark bottles in the dark wooden tray was just kind of getting lost in there. So I knew I needed something to break that up. And I was doing this on a day, and I didn't have any, I wanted some raffia or something. So I called one of my friends. I said, look, I need some more stuff. And we go to the store and go thrifting and buy decorative stuff. That he's been doing flower arrangements here recently. So I called him and his mama, and I said, come help me do this arrangement. So they came over, and he said, okay. I said, he said, well, what do you need? So I sent him kind of a picture of bare bones of what I had, and I kind of told him what I needed. I said, I need some raffia, and I need some things to kind of lighten this up, so this just doesn't look brown on brown on brown on brown. And I said, yeah, I already had the cotton stems, and I had this stick, and I had these flowers here, and I had some pumpkins. I had the silver pumpkins right here and right here, and I had this pumpkin right here, and I had some of those gourds that are up in the front. I had all that, and I had all the bottles, but I needed some more. I just needed some more stuff. So, and I had already had the ribbon on here on these bottles. There's a green ribbon. There's a green ribbon on this one right there. You can see it, I don't know if you can see it right here. There's a green ribbon, and there's a brown ribbon tied around this big bottle. And so he said, okay. So they came over, and they brought this wheat, and they brought these yellow flowers here, and a couple of these other little flowers that are stuck in here. These are just little flowers from probably like the dollar store, I don't know. And then they brought me some pumpkins. I told them I needed some white pumpkins to give this some lighten this up. And these gray white leaves right here. Let's see if I can show you. These gray type white leaves. I said, I need something like that. And they're like, okay, I think we got something, we'll come over. So they came over and they brought me the raffia. So what we did is we had the bottles kind of where they are in the tray, and we put the raffia around there, and that lightened it up so much. That was so good. And then kind of put this big stick in the center, and then I had some of these other sticks that are sticking out of here. I'll go around and show y'all what I'm talking about. And so, and I said, so let's just, so he just started putting some flowers in here, and flowers in here, and some leaves, and then, okay, so then I had the raffia, but my pumpkins were like sitting down in the tray. So what I did is I got like Walmart bags, the bags from our grocery store are kind of a brown color, and I just started wadding those up, and I pulled the raffia up, stick the bag in there, and so I could kind of build up the base up underneath there so things weren't just like sitting down inside there. So when I did that, that kind of elevated these pumpkins up out of the tray. And that's what I did, especially with this silver one here and this one right here. And those gourds in the front right there, and all those, so I stuck that up underneath there so I could elevate those things up out of the arrangement. So that's a little trick. I've done that on my tiered trays before as well. It gets things up where you can see them, where they're not just stuck off down in this when you have some kind of a deep tray like this one. And then he was so sweet. He had made me a little arrangement, and he brought it over there for me. So we stuck this little arrangement in here, and it's on kind of like a little mini cupcake stand. It's so cute. And then I had these little signs. Let's see, I don't know if you can see them up there. Let's see. Okay, right here, this little sign right here. I had these little signs. I got them probably last year on sale because I had them put up. And they're so cute. They're like little tags, and they say harvest and pumpkins and fall. And so that, I can guarantee you, I probably paid 90 cents for that little package of stuff. I mean, maybe 70 cents. Who knows, maybe 59 cents. Because that's what we do. We go to Hobby Lobby, those type things, and we buy all that stuff when it's going on sale for the season, and we save it back so that when we get ready to make our arrangements and stuff, it's all pretty cheap. Another thing I just want to show you, see these little metal signs right here? I think this one says thankful, and this one over here says harvest. We got those at Dollar Tree. There was a package of 3. And there's another one that says welcome. I've saved that for another project I'm going to do that I will bring and show y'all as well. Well, that was another little thing that we added to this arrangement that I just think is so cute, and I think it picks up on the metal, the galvanized looking pumpkins that are in there as well. So I really liked those little signs too. So see, you can put some expensive things from the Dollar Tree in with some really nice things that you might have paid for at Hobby Lobby, though I don't pay for anything full price at Hobby Lobby. I always wait till it's on sale. So mix that with your recycled bottles. Then this arrangement looks like $1 million. It looks like I spent, you know, if I had to go buy this arrangement somewhere at a floral shop or something, I would probably pay well over $200 for this arrangement. But you can do this on a budget. This was all recycled from some other arrangement. The stick was recycled. The cotton was recycled. All my pumpkins I had from last year, except for the white ones that they brought over here to me. I had bought these on sale last year. So there's like snuff bottles in here. There's all sorts of little brown bottles that's holding things. And all these little sticks and stuff I had saved out of another arrangement. So we've recycled all these little sticks that are in this arrangement. You can even go out and cut down little sticks if you had some cool gnarly sticks out in your forest or out in your yard or anything. That would be a good thing to do too, to just go collect it out in nature. So I just wanted to break down this arrangement, show y'all how we did it, and talk about it to you. And he is so talented, and I knew he could help me, and he saw my vision that I had for it. I just didn't want to have to go all the way back to Tyler, which is the closest town that we have here that has a Hobby Lobby, to get the things I needed. So I called on my friends. That's what you do. You call on your friends, and they helped me. And so in 15-20 minutes, I had a beautiful arrangement for my table. So I'm going to show y'all some close-ups, and just thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Happy fall, y'all.